Good day traders, David here from Daily Forecast. It is Tuesday the 11th of April and we're here to do our usual updates for Brent and for Crude, for Bitcoin and for Euro. In front of us we've got the daily chart for Brent oil. You can see that we're still in our down AB swing, our bearish AB swing. There's our A high, there's our B low. You can see price has been at the 786, almost at the 864 the whole of last week. Okay, we need price to be breaking out of this sideways range that we're at. Let's see if we break to the downside. The smaller time frames will give us that heads up sooner than what the daily will. If we do head to the downside, then we'll be closing this gap open of last week, and if we rally up and we take out this A resistance high, then you'll see that we're starting a reversal on this time frame. Okay, if we do fall from current levels and we close this gap, we'll look out for the BF786 at lower levels. Okay, the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart, we're in a bullish AB swing. There's our A low, there's our B high, and as mentioned, we've been sideways for more than a week now. Let's see, are the bears going to win this battle and price going down? Our area of interest is at the 618 down at 80.53 or lower, while inside this A low. We start a reversal on this time frame once we break this A support low. Okay, if price rallies up and takes out this B high, then this becomes our new level of support. Okay, but our level of interest is down here. We are looking to be buyers from in the area of the 618. The 1-hour chart. 1-hour chart has been sideways also for the whole week. There's our bullish AB swing, there's our A low, there's our B high. Price came to the 86, then went up to the BF 786, hinting that we're going to be taking out this A support low. And then you can see price has found support once, twice, 3 times again at this same area, and it's finding resistance inside this area. So if I were to draw our areas of resistance, that's that there, and our areas of support, you can see we're in that sideways channel. We need to break these 84 lows and then this low here at 83.80 to open up the downside. We obviously start a reversal on this time frame once we take out this A support low. We need this time frame to reverse in order for price to head down to lower levels on the 4-hour chart. So let's see what we get from this today. Crude oil on the 4-hour chart. We're in a bullish AB swing, pretty much the same like Brent. There's our A low, there's our B high, and you can see that also price has gone sideways. Our areas of interest is down at the 618 again at 76.12 or lower at the 786, while inside this A support low. Okay, again, if price rallies from current levels and takes out this B high, then this area becomes our A low, and we start a reversal if we take out this A support low. Okay, we'll wait patiently for price to come to the levels of interest, and you can see that at present it's roughly about 400 per fall to our level of interest. The 1-hour chart. 1-hour chart on crude is different to the 1-hour chart on Brent, because here we've got our A support low at the bottom and our B high. On Brent, this here is our A support low. So this is the same time frame that this is the same chart that we're looking at as per the 4-hour chart as well. Again, we're looking for price to come down to lower levels. Okay, so nothing much to say on crude oil 1-hour chart. Euro daily chart. We're in a bullish AB swing. If I scrunch it up a bit here, you'll see we're making higher highs and higher lows. So we're in that bullish AB swing, and you can see that price found support 3 times down at this level and headed up to the BF786. Now BF786 with the prior deep bounce leads us to believe we're going to be taking out this A low over coming sessions. Let's see if price action is going to actually do that. Let's see if this is maybe just a test of this bearish candlestick formation over there. Okay, 4-hour chart. We're also in a bullish AB swing. There's our A low, there's our B high. Price came thus far to the 5-0. Okay, we're approaching BF786 territory. Let me see where exactly that is. That is at 942. So we got a BF at 942. I'll put that in there. 942. If price reaches 942, we're at 911 now. Price reaches 942, we'll look for signs of a reversal on the lower time frame. If we don't get it and price carries on rallying up, then this becomes the new A low. Okay, if we do get it, then a BF786 with a previous 5-0 bounce leads us to believe we're going to be falling down to the 618. So that's the typical plan that we'll be looking at. The 1-hour chart is exactly the same. You can see there's our bullish A B swing, A low, B high. You can see there's the 5-0, and then I can put that in here as well. It will be at 946, I think I said it was. Let me just double check that. 942. So 942, we've got a BF786, and exactly what I said on the 4-hour chart pertains to this time frame. Okay, so once we get up there to the BF786, you'll step down to a 5-minute chart, look for a fall, look for a test, look for another bearish candlestick formation, and then if that occurs, if that setup occurs, then we look for a short entry. If not, we don't do anything. Bitcoin on the daily chart, we've been sideways since, what is this, the 20th, 23rd, 24th of March, and you can see price broke out of that yesterday. So we got to do some housekeeping on this chart. We've got to call this the new A low, A support low. Okay, and then now again we're waiting for a BI to form. You can see that price even went through our previous target, the 1618 at 29,724. You can see that was the actual line there. So we were bullish anyway, but we were looking for a retracement lower down before price rallied on up. Okay guys, so that's the update. Nothing much today. Let's see if we do get some activity on Brent and on crude oil. Euro's approaching its BF786 as well. We're some 30 pips away from that. But let's see if we do get some clear setups. If we don't, as per last week where we did not, then we certainly wait for a setup to materialize before we do anything. Okay, subscribe to the channel. If you like the videos, give us a like and hit the bell notification so that you're alerted whenever we do updates. Enjoy the rest of the trading day. Thanks. Bye.